Welcome back to DS Trucks. In today's video, we're going to be towing our 14-foot dump trailer with our 2019 F250 with the 6.2 liter gas V8. This truck has 430 gears, and we've done this test now with both our F150s with the same dump trailer. We've used our 2019 F150, and the best we've gotten back with this trailer around town, not on the highway, with our 19 F150 with the 2.7 EcoBoost was 17 miles to the gallon, and with our 2018 F150 with the 3.5 EcoBoost we got about 16 to the gallon around town. But now we are going to do the same test with our 2019 F250 so that we have the same test done with all our trucks and we can compare the numbers. Now what's really interesting is the F150s are able to get better MPG than our Super Duty can get empty, but nonetheless we're still gonna do our test and see what this truck gets while towing the trailer. Now our trailer is our short track dump trailer. It is a 14,000 pound rated trailer. The trailer itself weighs about 4,000 pounds, and we have a load of brush in the trailer. But anyway, we're gonna get on the road. See you guys once we're on the road. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and reset the computer here. Right now, as it sits, we're getting 7.8 miles to the gallon for the last 107 miles, or the last 4,000 miles, I'm sorry. The last 4,800 miles we got 7.8. We're gonna go ahead and reset it. Drive the same 23-mile loop and see what we get. Alright, so we are on the road now. We're about 4.8, so pretty much 5 miles in, and the truck's doing great. Now in the previous videos with the F150s towing, I brought up the point that the F150s actually do really well while towing the weight. They actually do better in the sense that they just drive better. You know, empty, they drive better with the weight on them. With this weight on them, we're about 4,000 pounds, give or take, maybe 4,500 with the brush in the trailer, give or take. They just drive smoother. This has a solid front axle. It's still confident, but it's just a rougher ride. It's a little bit shakier. This is a snowplow prep package truck, and it really drives good once you put a plow on it and a ballast in the back. But nonetheless, it's doing good. We're getting 11.7 to the gallon, and it seems like whenever I'm doing these MPG tests, the trucks do pretty well. And part of the reason for that is I just do the speed limit, guys. It's amazing how much speeding we're doing without really paying attention, but speed limit here is 35. There's lots of stops and stop signs, red lights, whatever, and it is city driving. But just for the sake of the test, I'm just driving how I should drive, not in a rush. Normally when there's money involved, there's a bit of a rush, going 5 over or so, give or take, and you're accelerating a little bit harder than normal. But right now, I'm just, because I'm filming, because I want to see what the truck's capable of, I'm just kind of taking it easy. So anyway, I'm going to continue this test, and I'm going to check back in once we complete our miles. Anyway, see you guys back at the house. Alright, and back home, and the verdict is in. We got 12.6 miles to the gallon. So the truck did really good. 23.2 miles, pretty much the same route that we did with the other trucks, and it did really well. One thing about the Super Duty, and that's a given, the braking is a lot better. You don't need nearly as much trailer brake, whereas with the 150s, I had the trailer brake gain up to 8, and it still wasn't quite what I wanted. Whereas this one, I'm at 7, and I could really take it down if I wanted to. It's definitely not dragging. This trailer is so heavy that it really won't drag anyway. But that's pretty much it for the driving portion. We're gonna park the trailer. I'm gonna go dump the trailer, and then we'll do a walk around the trailer and talk about our results. See you there. All right, here at the dump. This is the first time using the dump trailer, and hopefully I don't mess this up, but definitely been practicing. Now, one issue that I did have with the short track trailer is the chain for this side doesn't actually reach anything, and it doesn't reach here. It's a little short, nothing crazy, just a little short. And it doesn't reach here, barely doesn't reach, but it does reach the stake pocket, so hopefully that's enough to hold it from getting destroyed. We'll see. All right. This one does reach. We'll see what happens. All right, we're back home, and 2019 Super Duty did great. I am happy with it. Is it better than the 150? It is in certain ways. The truck is just heavier, so it's less manipulated, so it kind of goes up. I would say this is the best platform that I have for this trailer, but it's just a little bit rougher ride. Like I said, it's got a snowplow prep, so it doesn't ride as comfortably as a 150, but I would say this is the best. My 150, my max towing package, long wheelbase 150 that I have, 3.5 EcoBoost, is right under this, and then the short wheelbase 2.7 is on the bottom. And it's not really because of power or anything. I think they're all pretty close to the power. The 3.5's the highest output of power, but I mean, you really can't use it. It's kind of like getting a little bit squirrely with the rear tires if you're really getting on it, but they all do great. It's not real practical to pull this with my wife's truck, her short wheelbase, just because of the wheelbase. It actually is the most maneuverable, but it's not the most stable, and those mirrors are terrible. But we did end up dumping the load, as you guys can see. I need to blow this out. I should have blew it out when I was there, but we did end up dumping out the load, and it was nice. And it took me like 6 minutes to get rid of everything, filming and all, so I am pretty happy with it. But yeah, definitely having fun with the trailer. And that's pretty much going to be it for the video. Comment below, tell me what you think. Have a great day, and see you guys in the next video.